So I'm just going to put the mids to about 1 o'clock, maybe 2 o'clock. I mean, sorry, I'm just enjoying myself. Video's probably going to be about half an hour long at this rate. Yeah, it sounds absolutely amazing. I'm just going to up the drive a bit and turn the gain down on the amp. So the drive's on about 11 o'clock now. And that's the kind of sound I'd have. It sounds really, really good. Probably knock them highs down a bit. Right, I could just carry on forever, so I think what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to check out a few other guitars, and then I'll go over the power station thing and see what different kind of sounds you can get using the power station. So just grab the other guitar. So this is the Solar A1.6 with the Overtune bridge and the Solar pickups. This is tuned to D, I think. Completely different sound. These pickups are a bit not as high output as the Build Stay ones, so this will probably give you a more tighter sound. I mean, it is in D, but we'll see what it sounds like. All the settings are exactly the same from when it was in E flat. So I'd probably lower the mids a bit on this. Normally I pick quite hard and quite tight because obviously the Marshalls, they don't have as much gain as this. So to get that gain out of it, you've got to dig tight. But this, if you pick quite loosely, it just sounds awesome. So normally I'd pick like quite tight, but just Kind of reminds me of some of that sound, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know what it sounds like. It sounds awesome, what can I say? For such a small amp, the tones you can get out of it. Obviously I've got my pedals as well going through my rig, but it just sounds absolutely glorious. I mean, you can get it tight. Mid's quite high though, put the mids on full. Probably turn the presence down a bit with the mids on full. I've got the mids up full there, so, and it still sounds awesome. Unbelievable. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try it in drop C, and we'll see what that sounds like. Right, so now we're going to see what it sounds like with drop C. It's the Washburn Solar, and it's got the same Duncan pickups as the Solar guitar. All the settings are exactly the same. We'll see what it sounds like. So I'll put the mids back at 12. Really sound better. Try it about half, about 3/4, about 3 o'clock. I mean, it sounds absolutely great, this amp. I know I keep saying it like, but I think you could probably get these for about 300 quid used now. Maybe, I think I've seen some for 250. I'd highly recommend it. Like I said, my mate's had it for a while now, so there's no issues with reliability, and I've not heard any reliability issues. I know, is it mk2 Nick? I think he's got one of these and he's gigged with it, so yeah, it's all good things to say from the EVH 5153. They do a stealth model now, and I don't know what the difference is on them, but it's a bit more expensive, but I think if you're after just a small amp, this is the one to get. I would probably get this in the PRS MT15. If you got two little 1x12s, that's it, you could just jam. It would, and you get an unbelievable sound, and it wouldn't cost the earth. I mean, that's good enough, more than good enough to record. It's a really good sound. That's all I can say. I don't want to keep going on about it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to the LTD in E flat. I'm just going to go over some of the different sounds you can get with the Fryer power station. So I'll just swap over now.